When I think of the Greater Brighton area, I think of its creativity and the way often it sort of thinks about the world differently.
There's an awful lot of innovation coming from Brighton, and we're very keen to harness that. So anything we can do to access that innovation and help it to drive our business is worth our while.
We're really excited to bring together businesses that want to improve quality of life. We recognise that business can absolutely be a force for great good, and we think that in Brighton and Hove and the surrounding areas, there are entrepreneurs and leaders who think in that way.
I think the Healthy Future initiative has really helped gain an awareness of different industries around Brighton.
Although people have got the same aim at the end of the day, how we might want to get there is sometimes different.
Collaborative relationships are really important for our organisation because the problems that we're looking at are bigger than any one organisation.
Innovation increasingly is an act of collaboration, not just within organisations, but between organisations.
Different organisations, different businesses have got their specialisms and they've got their resources, and so long as you bring the right group together, you can just achieve far more.
The use of collaborators, experienced collaborators, allows us to punch above our weight by using the experience they have that we don't have inside. Innovation brings a large amount of risk to it. We're very much risk averse, so academic collaborations and these type of events really help forge partnerships where you can work together.
Working in partnership with other organisations is absolutely key in the work that we do. It's so important for us to make sure that we talk to other organisations developing new skills, new ways of doing things which are in related but not exactly the same field. We have learned a lot from the rehabilitation techniques used elsewhere for people with COPD, for people living with long-term heart disease and so on, and been able to reapply those techniques to people living with HIV. And the reason we can do that is because we have strong collaborative relationships with other organisations.
What is becoming clear is that within the local area there is a very strong range of highly skilled people, and the fact that I found someone who could potentially really help me deliver what I need to deliver. His desk is less than a mile away from my desk, so that will be transformative.
So I think with events like this, you've got all those people in one room, and I've already today made 2 definite links of people that we can work with who I wouldn't have met at any other events.
The sort of events that I now find myself coming to, courtesy of the efforts of Brighton University, is introducing me to people in industry-leading positions where we're able to actually meet, spark ideas, and to some extent, without any threat to each other, come up with solutions that could actually assist our businesses.
So the advantage to us of being part of a group who are pushing forward innovations in healthcare is that we're able to stay at the leading edge of change. As a small voluntary organisation, that would be difficult, probably impossible.
We are fundamentally committed to partnership and making a difference through our collaborative research and enterprise. Healthy Future has really established a fantastic momentum in establishing such partnerships. It's through these partnerships and innovation in healthcare that we will be able to make a difference to people's lives.
If I had a magic wand, it would be making sure that Greater Brighton has a national profile for the excellent and innovative and unique industries that we have. So one of those is our expertise in health and healthcare and health innovation, where the university and business sectors are working very closely together. That's the sort of industry that's going to drive the British economy into the 21st century.